Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I will show you the mini fan air condition. I buy for this one from the online. So let's go unpack this mini air condition. It's working with the USB port and also working with this is the USB power cable. And this one is the mini watt air condition. Wow. Also you can use the battery here, AAA 1.5 volt 3 batteries, and also you can connect it with the USB port. And here you have this one for the ice, for the cold water. So we put some cool water here. Okay, the water. You can use the ice. Ice is better than water. Okay, now I put this one inside. Now I will use the charger cable. You can use to your PC, you can use your computer, you can use your charger port, like Samsung, iPhone, any charger port plug in. Here you have to system a little bit slow, and also you can height. You can see the air, and here have the height. Wow, very good. You can see the air, fresh air, normal air. That's good. I think you guys can see. So if you put some ice in down case, may become more cooler air. It's good for me. Thank you guys. I have two air cooler, same color. I buy together two air cooler. You can see. Thank you guys.